Hi everyone, I'm Abby, the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And we are back with season 2 of our how-to series on YouTube.
It's crazy.
Happy 2024.
Yes.
So yeah, if you don't know what this series is, it's every week. We had our Instagram audience vote on an install that they wanted us to recreate with our premium silk wedding flowers. So that's what we've been doing all last year, and we're back with this series again, but we're going to change some things this year. We wanted to get a little personalized with you guys and give you the opportunity to request an install based on your specific vision, your budget, the area that you're looking to decorate. So that's going to be fun. We're going to try that out.
Yes.
We have a link in the description for you to fill out a form. We have some questions for you, and every week we'll pick what install we want to do.
Yes.
If you're looking for the form, it'll be either on our Instagram stories every Monday. We'll save it to our highlights as well, and then you can also find it in the YouTube description below.
Yeah, so let's get started on the install this week.
So this week's install we created or came up with ourselves. It's just a romantic tablescape with our Stella Collection. It was super easy tablescape, and we love how it came out.
Okay.
We're a little rusty. We've been off for 4 weeks of this.
Okay, so the products we used to recreate this look are 2 of our Stella grand centerpieces, 2 of our short gold stands, 4 sets of our Tulip candlesticks, and 3 of our standard Stella centerpieces. So very simple, a lot of candles to create that romantic vibe. We love how this turned out. You could definitely do this for pretty much anything. This would even be pretty on I was thinking in the front of a sweetheart table, just a lot of candles on the floor if you didn't want to do it on the table. So there's a lot of different options to use this install for.
Okay, and no tools are needed.
Yep.
This is just placing on the table.
Yes.
All right, now let's get into it. I'm going to start with 2 short gold stands. Then add a grand centerpiece on top.
All of our grand centerpieces fit perfectly in the stands. The stands are rented separately, so just keep that in mind.
And then we're going to add a standard centerpiece in the holes.
Tulip candlestick set.
Of 3 different heights.
And you'll just scatter these throughout to give it a very romantic vibe. The candles, I love the candles. Okay, that is it.
And there you have it. A simple Stella romantic tablescape using just, what, 5 products?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4?
4
products.
So,
as a reminder, this week we are starting our new format of our how-to series. So again, we'll have the form to submit a request in the description below.
Yes.
If you are following us on Instagram, we'll also have the link to the form there, and we'll also highlight it in our stories. But yeah, we're gonna try something new, see how this goes, and we're excited to bring specific installations that you are wanting to life.
Yes, so if you want to have a say in what we do next, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.